What's up, guys? Check this out. So last week I checked the vending machine. Look at what I found. A really nice shiny brand new cooler. Look at that thing. It's a Denver. That's a nice cooler. Let's see what it is. It's one of the state coolers. 1999 Georgia State Cooler. 1788 Wisdom, Justice, Moderance with the state of Georgia, the leaves and the peach right there. The flag. 1999. What's going on with it though? Man, that was the only thing found in the vending machine. But what's going on there? Is that an error? I don't know. It's pretty warned. Huh. Leave it on the comments. Yeah. This might be warned, but that's the only thing I found in the vending machine last week. Look at that. Wow. It's pretty worn. I'll take it. But still 25 cents. Alright. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoy.